So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about the alkaline earth metals. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's quickly start with the first question here. We have a diagram here showing the periodic table. This is just a model of the periodic table. So the question here says, use the table above to answer the question. Which of the following letters represents an alkaline earth metal? So guys, without having to figure out much, we already know that the alkaline earth metals are the group 2 elements. So guys, the letter C here will be the alkaline earth metal, and that's option B in these options. So let's quickly go ahead and check out the next question. That's question number 2. It says, which of the following metals burn with brick red flame? A, lead, B, calcium, C, magnesium, and D, sodium. So guys, the metal which gives brick red color in flame test is calcium, and that's option B here. So let's quickly go ahead and check out the next question. Question number 3 here, it says, when calcium oxide is heated with carbon, the oxide will A, be converted to the triazonitrate 5 salt, B, melt producing carbon dioxide, C, decompose to the metal, D, be converted to the carbide. So guys, when calcium oxide is heated with carbon, the oxide is reduced to the metal and carbon monoxide is actually formed. So this is a reduction reaction where carbon acts as a reducing agent, removing oxygen from calcium oxide to form a calcium carbide. So that's CaC2. So that's the answer to the question here, and that's option D. So let's quickly look at the next question. Question number 4 here. It says, calcium reacts directly with nitrogen to form A, Ca3n, B, Ca3n2, C, Ca2n3, and D, Ca3n3. So guys, if we have a direct combination between calcium and nitrogen, it's going to be such that since calcium is a +2 and then nitrogen is -3, so it will be such that they will combine as seen in option B here. That's Ca3n2. So this would be just their ratio in their conversion. Since nitrogen is having 3, it will go for the calcium, and then since calcium is having a +3, to go for the nitrogen. So guys, that's just Ca3 and then N2. So guys, the correct answer to this question will be option B here, and that's Ca3N2. So let's quickly look at the next question. Question number 5 here. The question says, which of the following alkaline metals react more quickly spontaneously with water? We have beryllium, option A. We have strontium as option B. We have calcium as option C, and we have magnesium as option D. So guys, the answer to this question will be option C. Calcium reacts more readily with water than the others here. So let's quickly look at the next question. Question number 6. It says, the compound of calcium used to make refractory furnace lining is A, calcium triazonitrate 5, B, calcium oxide, C, calcium chloride, D, calcium hydroxide. So guys, the answer to this question here will be option B, and that's calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is used as a refractory substance. That's just the fact that it will not melt even when heated to a very high temperature. So guys, that's it for that question. And the next question we have here is question number 7. It says, calcium is actually produced by the A, mercury, B, helium, C, electrolysis of molten calcium chloride, D, sodium. So I believe you must have guessed rightly the answer to this question, and that's option C here, electrolysis of molten calcium chloride. So let's quickly look at the next question. Question number 8, it says the alkaline earth metals have a valency of A1, B2, C3, D4. So guys, the answer to this question will be option B, and that's 2. Alkaline earth metals will have a valency of 2. So let's recall that the alkaline earth metals are group 2 elements, and therefore they will have a valency of 2. So let's look at the next question, question number 9, and it says in the electrolytic extraction of calcium from calcium chloride, the cathode is A, zinc, B, platinum, C, iron, D, graphite. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's iron. Iron rods are used as the cathode in the electrolytic extraction of calcium chloride. So let's consider the next and the last question, question number 10 here. It says, which of the following is a common use of magnesium metal? A, toothpaste, B, cooking oil, C, baking soda, D, fireworks. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D, and that's fireworks. Magnesium is commonly used in fireworks to produce bright, dazzling white light when it burns. So the intense light emission from burning magnesium is responsible for the brilliant display seen in fireworks. And that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, don't forget to also share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people around. And we want to also use this medium to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. That will be all for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.